Hi everyone, this is Jane Chiu from Success Over Coffee. Today, I want to talk about something that often holds back even the most successful business owners: limiting beliefs. These are the doubts or negative thoughts we tell ourselves that can block our progress. Let's start by identifying some of these beliefs that might be impacting you too. Now, take a moment and write down one belief that you feel might be limiting your potential. It could be something like, I'm not experienced enough to scale this business, or I can't change or I can't charge more because clients won't pay higher prices. Are you done? Now, would anyone like to share their limiting belief? Remember, this is a safe space. What we discuss here is to help each other grow. Let's say you wrote, I'm not experienced enough to take my business to the next level. I want you to ask yourself, what evidence do I have that support this belief? Is this something that is really true, or is it just a perception? Often, these beliefs come from past experiences or fear of failure. But how does this belief serve you today? In most cases, it doesn't. It just holds you back. Does anyone want to share what they realized after challenging their belief? Now that you have challenged the belief, let's reframe it into something more empowering. Instead of, I'm not experienced enough, you could say, I have the passion and ability to learn what is necessary to grow my business. Can anyone share how they would reframe their limiting belief? The key is to turn the negative beliefs into something actionable and positive. Every time you catch yourself thinking of your limiting belief, replace it with this new empowering statement. To really overcome limiting beliefs, you need to act. Think of one small action you can take to challenge this belief. For example, if you believe you can't grow because you lack of experience, take one step to gain more knowledge. Maybe read a book, take a course, or find a mentor. Write down that action now. It doesn't have to be huge. Even small steps create momentum. Would anyone like to share what actions they plan to take? Remember, limiting beliefs are just stories we tell ourselves. By challenging them, reframing them, and taking action, you will begin to see new opportunities for growth. Over time, these beliefs will lose their power over you, and with that, you will be unstoppable. Does anyone have questions or want to dive deeper into a specific belief? Write down in the comment field here. I hope you will find this video helpful. You can join our success community as well, where you will get lots of support that helps you break through in life and business. Do give us a like and share our channel out.